Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 Mazda BT-50 XT. Single cab. This vehicle sustained damage to the right hand side and front. This shape ran from the 10th month 2011 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. We have the left-hand guard appears to have no damage. Left-hand door appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. It has a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy right-hand sun visor, and a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. Also has a tidy grey center console and manual transmission gear lever and standard heater controls and AC controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.